Hello learners, today we will understand these 5 personality traits which help us to recognize our own style and how to interact better with others. Introvert. Introvert likes being alone. They enjoy quiet environments. Extrovert. They are energized by people and they love social interactions. Ambivert. Ambivert are balanced personalities, social or quiet depending on the situation. Omnivert. Omnivert shows extreme introversion or extroversion depending on mood. Autrovert. Autrovert are quiet with strangers but outgoing with close friends. I hope this video is useful to you. Now let me know in the comments which personality trait you think fits you best. Bye bye.